Just wrapped up the slum settlement visit that Levelers Foundation had along with the doctors at Curediab. And it was such a sensitive yet such a fun-filled experience because these are the women who had come for our previous initiative Salamati 1.0, which we had held at the health center, health management center. And they definitely felt the impact with the kind of mentoring around health, safety and well-being that we provided alongside the treatments that we provided to them. This settlement comprises of 80% of the population, which is all which are from the construction side, all the mazdoors and the people who work in the services, pipeline, fabricators. So सबसे ज़्यादा ये जो population है ये इस बस्ती में रहती है. एंड जब हमने उनका पहला इनिशिएटिव किया था उस टाइम पे उन्होंने कहा था कि आप प्लीज़ वापस ये इनिशिएटिव लीजिए हमारे बस्ती आके. So I'm very grateful for these kind of experiences because this shows that little steps towards being approachable, towards being inclusive to the community that works along with us brings in so much of impact. मतलब हमारे लिए it is spending 2 hours with them and providing our skill set, but उन लोग के लिए वो इतनी बड़ी चीज़ हो जाती है. As we entered the slum today, as an architect, I must say I felt cooler because the houses are so nearby and there's they've not used so many toxic chemicals on the walls. It's mostly lime mortar, which and the houses are mostly in Kavelu. बहुत ही कम houses है जो पक्का houses है, what they call as RCC houses. तो ऐसे में क्या हो जाता है, जो छोटी छोटी गलियों से आप गुजरते हो तो हमारे लिए बहुत अच्छा एक्सपीरियंस हो जाता है कि हर चीज़ बहुत ठंडी लगती है. एंड देन वी अराइव्ड at the center of the slum, which is the मंदिर area, जहाँ पे हमने हमारा कैंप सेटअप किया. एंड वो देखते ही जेन्युइनली लोग उनको जब महसूस हुआ कि हम लोग अप्रोचेबल है तो वो लोग आए और उनके ट्रीटमेंट कराए. इतने सारे लोग थे जो नॉट जस्ट विद द इंजुरीज एंड बैक पेन, नी पेन, बोन्स पे जो दर्द है, यही सब चीज़ों के लिए नहीं आए थे, बट स्किन को प्रॉब्लम को लेके आए थे. किसी का बीपी हाई था, किसी को शुगर की प्रॉब्लम है, किसी को मेंटल प्रॉब्लम्स है, काफ़ी सारे. आई मीन आई एम नॉट अ डॉक्टर, सो माई फ्रेंड्स एट Curediab who actually treated them would be able to share more on this, but I was there present managing the whole thing and speaking to them, communicating with them, understanding as to ये प्रॉब्लम्स कितने सालों से चल रही है. बिकॉज वो लोग मजदूरी का काम हो गया या हाउस हेल्प का काम हो गया या ऐसे जो भी काम वो लोग करते हैं काफ़ी टाइम से कर रहे हैं, राइट. तो हमने वो भी सारा डेटा कलेक्ट किया, उन लोग से काफ़ी बातचीत की, तो उनको बहुत अच्छा लगा कि हम लोग उनके लिए हाजिर थे वहाँ पे. And being architects, what better opportunity to understand the settlement part. So we just took our ride and we went across the basti and हमने चाय पिया और बातचीत की at one of the houses of one of the dwellers in the settlement, and she told the stories and the history of the making of this settlement. This settlement is made out of all migrated people जो city में आते हैं काम करने, and what all they went through, especially हम लोग particularly ये जो बोले पेट्रोल पंप सेटलमेंट में थे, ये एक टाइम पे बहुत ज़्यादा dangerous settlement कहा जाता था because of the history, and I don't want to get there, but the bravery that these people have shown, and now that there's a sense of safety that is being nurtured in the settlement is something worth to hear from. Those tales and stories over that jaggedy that we had. And बस फिर हमने काफ़ी सारे houses भी visit किए and it was a lovely experience. I think while giving through this platform, we as levelers people are gaining a lot from it, and I want to thank everyone who were a part of this initiative at levelers, who have volunteered for it. Really thanks on being a part, and let's hope that we are able to do such more initiatives that will add genuine impact, sticking to the relevant causes, sticking to the right approach to it rather than making it over fancy. I think that's the approach that we want to take at levelers, and I would want more and more people to participate in our upcoming events. Shall be posting about our happenings at the slum very soon, so thank you very much.